Oh, first up, US regulators have approved a genetically modified pig for food and medical products, making it the second such animal to get the green light for human consumption. But the company behind it says there are no imminent plans to sell it for meat.
I think human beings have too much time on
On
their
their
hands.
hands, I wouldn't say that. Maybe they're not using their time and investing it in things that we actually need to invest it in. But
What them
hey,
do to the pig? That's what I want to know. What them do to the
so
pig? I'm gonna need to go look more upon it, and it's the second one. So what
yeah.
was the first?
So they're testing them for like allergic reactions and stuff like that when it comes to certain things. So like, I was reading up about it, and the company was saying that they're trying to create some new types of like medication, aka like blood thinners, that won't have allergic reactions on people.
But they test it on.
So that yeah, so like they just
So what them do with the meat though? Like,
that's why they said they can sell it, but they didn't.
but them can't say anything them want. Them can't say anything them want.
So, well, you know, this is just showing us that we have to go cut down on the pig eating soon.
It's a what we say? Grow where you eat.
Eat where you
Eat where you grow, because
End of story.
it done this so.
It done this so.
Because you know, I mean, yeah, some people still love them oink oink, you know, but
Yes, but
Them,
right
you know?
about now, it look like it's the last Christmas we're enjoying the oink oink.
next
weed.
Christmas you see a oink oink with all 6 legs and 7 titties.
Trouble,
You know,
trouble,
I can't deal with that.
trouble.
All right, Data Headman will face Andy Bolton when she makes her PDC World Championship debut at Alexandra Palace later this month. Guess what? She's 60 years old.
Wow.
The 3-time women's runner-up sunk last season's superstar Fallon Sherrock to qualify for the event for the first time. 60 years old, I would say. We spent it.
That's
I think-
impressive.
Yeah, remember we were talking about when men getting to age 40.
Yeah.
Yeah. 60 years old
60.
making your first final.
Yeah,
Oh
that
my
means that
God.
age is really just a number.
Yeah, man, because at that
Uh-huh.
age, I must say, yeah, deteriorate, you know,
No,
you can't do this.
homegirl is showing them that look, age is really just a number, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna accomplish all that I had set my mind to,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna get it done.
And that should be encouragement. That should be
Yeah,
encouragement for
it's
all
like,
of
that's
us.
an inspirational story
Yeah.
right there.
And I think about even the 100-year-olds who are the centenarians who are still running,
Yeah.
still sprinting, you know.
Yeah, that's why they
It's-
say exercise is good for you.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. All the
All
best to her.
right. Next up, Paris city authorities have been fined for employing too many women in senior positions. A decision mocked as absurd by the mayor and Hidalgo. On Tuesday, the fine of £90,000 was demanded by France's Public Service Ministry on the grounds that Paris City Hall had broken national rules on gender parity in its 2018 staffing. We're still having these issues?
Well, no, but initially the issue was not having enough women.
Yes,
Now
and
you're
now when
getting
you
fined.
have too much,
You
it's a
have to.
problem.
Yeah, because they're trying to find the balance, you know, equal rights for all.
Equal rights and justice.
Yeah,
But
equal.
we still.
I mean, I personally don't mind having more women in
What, the senior positions?
senior positions.
I mean, balance is always great, and that's fine, you
Yeah.
know. But I don't think it should be that extreme.
No, it is, especially in Europe. European
Yeah.
states, they take these things seriously.
Serious.
You know, but women deserve a chance to be at the top
We
in
do.
majority.
We do, Exton.
in
We do.
majority, yeah, man. Because I work well with women.
I see
so-
why you always have a female co-host now.
Yeah, always. Love it, love it.
Oh God! All right, guys, that's all for the trending topics.